Hi everyone and welcome to Amazon. I'm here today to talk about this Wella Professionals LuxeOil Keratin Restore Mask. This hair mask is made of argan oil and almond oil with transform technology that protect the keratin in your hair and transform its texture. The oil and conditioning components form a protective layer around each hair. They protect against damage and reconstruct every strand. It is lightweight, improves texture, and is suitable for all hair types. Now let me show you its easy application. Apply after shampooing and massage and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse it out and you're good to go. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and keep shopping with Amazon.